Exodraft chimney fans are electrical mechanical chimney draft systems. When for some reason natural draft just cannot be achieved, an exodraft chimney fan will give you an efficient and reliable solution. In general, a mains power supply will be required to operate a system whereby it creates a live controller to run the chimney fan with an isolation point close by in all types of installations. The exodraft chimney fan can be mounted on a brick, stack or metal flue, where it will be necessary to use a flange plate and for aesthetic purposes a flange plate cover. There are three main types of use for exodraft chimney fans. They are for solid fuel, gas fireplaces including domestic boilers, and oil gas biomass boilers, including multi-storey buildings with a common chimney, all of which must go through the exodraft calculation process. Survey forms in the different cases can be found on our website. They cover basic questions about the openings, internal-external surroundings, the appliance, and various dimensions associated with the flue in order to comply with BS EN 13384 and in BS EN 15287, in which we ensure 20% of the exhaust gases and particles can be evacuated in the event of a power failure. The exodraft fans all come as horizontally discharging, which are usually dome-shaped, and as vertically discharging units, usually box-shaped. These are recommended when obstructions are close by, such as tall trees and/or buildings. The exodraft solid fuel fans have two choices when it comes to controllers. The basic controller, EFC16, works like a dimmer switch with high speed immediately following the click on to the right, and continuing in the direction lowers the speed of the fan. The wireless controller, EW41, has a power pack base unit, which is programmed to operate through Z-band wireless signal. So, with the sender unit operated by batteries, aids in eliminating some of the wiring difficulties, time. And for longer flue lengths, repeaters are available. A temperature sensor is available with the EW41 arrangement, giving the end user a programmable function to temperature settings, with an audible signal that the temperature of the fire is going down, so it's that it needs to be refueled or let run for a longer while, with a further audible signal that the fire is soon to burn out, and the fan will switch off. The exodraft gas fans have a further option in a wall-mounted fan, enabling termination from a horizontal flue run. There are two choices of controller. Mostly common with the gas fan is the EFC21, which requires the addition of a solenoid in its arrangement to provide a fail-safe operation should there be a loss of electrical power. This controller needs to be commissioned in conjunction with the spillage test as per our instructions. In some cases for the domestic smaller gas boilers, the EBC22 with sensor can be used when a constant pressure is required. The controller has the option of being programmed on site to achieve such variants. The exodraft oil gas biomass boilers, inclusive of multi-storey buildings with a common chimney fans, can be controlled by EBC20 and EBC22, Gas Tech certified, inclusive of a sensor probe, to achieve the constant pressures required on such appliances on single or multiple boiler systems. The latest addition to the exodraft range of chimney fans is the draft booster. The draft booster has been designed to enable the easy lighting of the wood-burning stove, overcoming the draft issues that problematic chimneys and flues sometimes have in natural draft ignition situations. One size fits all, 100mm 4 inches through to 220mm 9 inches, chimney pot, brick stack or metal flue, and the design build means that there is no need to go through the exodraft calculation process. It has a standard 3-pin plug-and-play, with stop-starts as one-speed remote control. The draft booster enables easy lighting, better combustion, and less smoke spillage in the room when refueling the wood-burning stove. Exodraft produce a further range of inline fans, high operating temperature fans, and grease fans. Exodraft chimney fans have been used in restaurants when the kitchen extraction interferes with the natural draft of chimneys, and utilized in extraction in connection with solid fuel burning pizza ovens. So, hopefully this information will have given you a good insight into ways of overcoming problematic natural chimney draft. and get you to think of exodraft.